Yo, what's great? Today, we're gonna be cooking some salmon. See me, I'm not really a fish guy, really. However, I was in the supermarket and this just long strip of bright red salmon sockeye fillet, fresh and wild, just caught my attention. So, had to do it. Let's hop into it. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a marinade. So, got my trusty Ziplocs, and I'm thinking Asian style, man, you know? Just like the duck video, we're gonna get some hoisin sauce, this time some soy, and some mirin. This is my base for all my Asian marinades that I whip up. And sesame oil. So, let's just get the base going while I think of what I'm going to do next with it, because I don't know. This is all unscripted, going off the top. Let's cook it on the fly. Let's go. Alright, so mirin. Don't put too much of that. Soy sauce goes in there. Alright, hoisin sauce. Some of that. Sesame oil. Boom. Now, thinking. I think a little bit of Tabasco will do this justice, you know? Just a bit of vinegar, you know, a little bit of spice, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Yo, do I have ginger? Please tell me I have ginger, bro. Yes, we have ginger. Okay, so let's put some of that in there. You know, fresh ginger would obviously be better, but we make do, remember? Alright. Some ginger in there. I'm actually gonna do some paprika. So, just a bit. That's right, honey. Do honey. And I'm all out of that. Some comb. Get the rest of that in there. We don't waste. We do not waste. Get my money's worth out this bottle, you heard me? Alright. You know, if I felt like it, I would use fresh garlic and mix it up. But it's during the week. I've been working. I'ma just, you know, use the chopped stuff. Okay? What else? Yo, I almost forgot. I got this stuff. Some Japanese barbecue sauce. This is actually like really, really good. It's great. Marinades. Almost forgot about it. See, I'm almost running out. I use it a lot. I'll put some of that in there. Alright. Yeah. Actually, yo, I'm not gonna do liquid smoke. Not for the salmon. Mix that up. This salmon is like a foot long, so I'm gonna divvy it up into manageable segments. Alright, that was a lot more difficult than I thought. Skin is, well, scales, I guess, it's armor. So we're gonna throw these into the bag. Zip that up. Get all the air out, There we go. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit overnight. When I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna flip it over just so that the other pieces can get, some of the marinade while I'm at work. They're all gonna get touched evenly like this, but I guess it's just the OCD in me that wants to flip it over. So, all right, so we're gonna let that sit. Then we're gonna come back to it the next day. We'll reconvene. All right, it's the next day and we're back at it. And yesterday, I think I recorded from the wrong audio source. I might have been recording from my laptop speakers, so the audio quality is probably gonna be crazy in the first half. But anyway, I marinated it overnight and I flipped it before I went to work so everything gets evenly distributed. So I've got the oven heated to 425 already. So it's simple. Marinade on my sleeve. I'm gonna lay these in the pan. No need to coat it with oil. The marinade has some oil in it. So I'm just gonna put the pieces in here. And I'm gonna just pour a little bit of marinade in here for good measure. I don't know. I'm just making this up as I go along, but it sounds like it might be good. Always wash your hands in between touching raw meat so you don't cross-contaminate in the kitchen. All right, so I'm popping this in the oven, 425. That's gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna throw the rest of this marinade away. Clean my area. Now, this could be it, but I like to get involved with my cooking. I don't want to just end it there. So I'm gonna make a glaze. And I'm gonna add it on top of the salmon at the last 3 minutes. So basically the glaze is gonna be hoisin sauce, this barbecue sauce I was talking about, and I ran out of honey, but I got more honey. And I want it to be a little spicy, so I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes, chives. All right, so, man. See, the goal of the glaze, I want it to be thick. So, some hoisin sauce. I gotta scoop this honey. Put like a scoop full. I'll put 2 scoopfuls. That nice honey profile in there. I'm also gonna add roasted garlic powder. If I can find it. My spice cabinet's a little hectic. All right, so some of that honey garlic is always good. Crush
crushed red. Japanese barbecue. It always gets stuck because it's like real, I mean, it's not thick, but it's sugary. So the cap always gets clogged. I'm gonna just, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna add more crushed red. And chives, freeze-dried chives. Feel free to go fresh, but I don't got fresh chives right now, so this will do just fine. Now I'm gonna whisk it with a fork. Check it out. Nice and thick. So when I put this on top of the salmon, I'll put it back in the oven and I'm gonna just throw it under the broiler for like another probably like minute, maybe 2 minutes tops, just to get it like a nice little crust on there. Feel me? All right, so now that this is done, we're just gonna wait like 15 minutes while the fish is in the oven and that's done cooking. We'll spread this on there, pop it back in, and we'll revisit. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna throw the glaze on. I don't even know if this counter is heat resistant, but we'll see. All right. So I'm gonna spoon some on. Spoon some of each fish. Slice of fish anyway. All right. And back in the oven it goes. I'm gonna throw on the broiler for about 60 seconds and that's it. Broiler on high. I'm not even gonna cut the video for this because this is literally like 60 seconds. Yeah, so anyway, this is what I be doing. Listen, I live dolo and I be cooking. A lot of people are like intimidated by cooking for some reason because they think it's this elaborate process and you have to have all these different utensils, measuring devices and techniques, and you know, to be honest, it's not that crazy. That's why I'm making these videos, because anybody can do it. You don't need to follow a recipe. You just need to get a bunch of spices that you like, you know, get like a couple pans, some bowls, you know. You don't need anything crazy to make good food at home. One thing you do need to know is just like basic cooking concepts like browning, caramelization, rendering, searing. These are just concepts that you could learn in like 5 minutes. It's not really that deep, you know? Once you get the concepts of cooking, you're fine. You don't need to follow any recipes. You could just cook on the fly, you know? Do what you need. So, if your grasp on cooking is tenuous, tune into these videos, man. I could show you. You just do it at home with everyday stuff. You don't need nothing special, man. There's nothing to be intimidated about. Literally, like 60 seconds, bro. Because if you leave it on the broiler for too long, the fish is gonna dry out. My oven rack is set pretty low. I wish I would have put it higher before I put it in there, but we're on the fly. I'll be all right. Listen, it'll still taste good. Yeah, just check on it. Done. Look at that. Oh, the mitt couldn't even handle the heat, bro. It's like a $10 mitt. See, listen, you don't need no fancy stuff to do cooking. I'm gonna waste a clean plate just to show y'all how it looks unplated. Look at that. Look at that. This looks delicious. I'm about to try it right now. Be the smallest piece. Let's see. Mmm. Phenomenal. You see, depending on how much time you have, you do a lot of stuff with it. Like I said earlier, I use the minced garlic out the can, or the jar, whatever. If you got some free time, you're feeling spicy, you can use fresh garlic. You can use fresh chives and green onions. Just take it to that next level, but I'm drunk good as hell. See, this whole process took I know it took 2 days, but I marinated it. What did that take me? Like 15 minutes to create the marinade, put it in there. And it took me another 15 to cook it, another 2.5, like 1.5 to broil it for the sauce. And now I got food for this is like dinner for 2 days for me, you know? So, listen, I'm gonna be back with more recipes, or pseudo recipes, whatever. And tune in. Peace out.